Hello students, let us continue the session on pair of linear equation in two variables. I have taken up question number 20 of exercise 3.3. There was an error in the answer. I am taking that question again. Let us solve it. A shopkeeper gives books on rent for reading. She takes a fixed charge for first 2 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Latika paid Rs 22 for a book kept for 6 days, while Anand paid Rs 16 for the book kept for 4 days. Find the fixed charges and the charge for each extra day. This was the question. Let me consider the fixed charges for first 2 days as Rs X. So let fixed charge for first 2 days Rs X. Let the additional charge per day after 2 days be Rs Y. Additional charge for or per each day after 2 days Rs Y. They have given that Latika paid Rs 22 for 6 days. So it means that 2 days fixed charge plus 6 minus 2 days charges per day. So let me mention it here. 2 days fixed charge added to 6 minus 2 days charge. The total money she paid is Rs 22. Therefore, the equation is X plus 4Y equal to 22. This is the first equation. Anand paid Rs 16 for the book kept for 4 days. So this is condition 1. The condition 2 is he has paid 2 days fixed charge plus 4 minus 2 days charge, and he has given the amount Rs 16. So the equation becomes X plus 2Y equal to 16. This is our second equation. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. Suppose if you do equation 1 minus 2, the X term will get cancelled. We will be left out with 2Y equal to 6. Therefore, value of Y is Rs 3. So it is Rs 3 per day. Now we find the value of X. Let me consider any one of the equation. For simplification, I am taking the second equation, X plus 2Y equal to 16. Now I substitute X will be equal to 16 minus 2 times of 3, which we get it as 10. Therefore, fixed charge is rupees 10 for 2 days, and the additional charge will be rupees 3 per day. Now it is clear. Now let us continue with the exercise 3.4 leftover questions. We had solved till question number 9. Let me continue from question number 10 onwards. The question 10 is a railway half ticket costs half the full fare, but the reservation charges are the same on a half ticket as on the full ticket. One reserved first class ticket from the station A to B costs rupees 2530. Also, one reserved first class ticket and one reserved first class half ticket from A to B costs rupees 3810. Find the full first class fare from station A to station B, and also reservation charges for a ticket. Let me consider the cost of full fare from station A to B as rupees 6. Mention it. Let the cost of full fare from station A to B be rupees 6, and the reservation charges per ticket I'll consider it as rupees Y, and reservation charges per ticket I'll take it as rupees Y. And it is given that cost of one full ticket from A to B is rupees 2530. That is one fare for full ticket plus reservation charges. So it means that one fare ticket plus one reservation charge is rupees 2530. So I have to consider x plus y equal to 2530. Let me call this as equation 1. And they have also given that cost of one full and one half ticket from station A to B is rupees 3810. That means I have to take one full ticket charges plus reservation charge for half ticket. It is rupees 3810. It means x plus y plus half of fare plus reservation charges. This will be rupees 3810. This implies x plus y added to half of x plus the reservation charge is y, which is equal to 3810. Now the second new equation will be 1 added to half will be 3 by 2. This is 3 upon 2x plus y is 2y equal to 3810. Now if I take 2 as LCM and cross multiply, I'll get the equation as 3x plus 4y equal to 7620. I'll call this as equation 2. I'll write both the equation one below the other. You'll get an idea what to do. Equation 1 was x plus y is equal to 2530. This was equation 1. And the equation 2 obtained was 3x plus 4y equal to 7620. Now if you want to follow elimination method, you need to multiply by equation 1 by 3 so that x term will be eliminated. Let me write it here. Equation 1 multiplied to 3, which implies 3x plus 3y equal to 7590. And equation 2, I won't change it. Let me multiply with 1 and write this as 3x plus 4y equal to 7620. Let me subtract. Upon subtraction, I'll get negative y equal to negative 30. This implies the value of y is rupees 30. Now let me consider x plus y equal to 2530. So x will be equal to 2530 minus y, which is 30. We get the value of x as rupees 2500. Therefore, full fare and reservation charges of a ticket from station A to B is rupees 2500 and rupees 30 respectively. The full fare and reservation charge are rupees 2500 and rupees 30 respectively. Here it's very important to get the second equation, because they have given that one reserved first class ticket and one reserved a first class half ticket from A to B. This condition, second condition, is very important. Let us take up question number 11. A shopkeeper sells a sari at 8% profit and a sweater at 10% discount, thereby getting a sum rupees 1008. If she had sold the sari at 10% profit and the sweater at 8% discount, she would have got rupees 1028. Find the cost price of the sari and the list price of the sweater. Let me consider the cost price as rupees X and the list price of sweater as, say, rupees Y. Let me mention it here. Let cost price, I'll write it as CP of a saree rupees X and list price of sweater rupees Y. Look at the first statement here. A shopkeeper sells a saree at 8% profit and a sweater at discount of 10%, and she gets a sum of rupees 1008. So in this case, let me write this as case 1. In this case, we have selling price of saree at 8% profit plus selling price of a sweater at 10% discount is rupees 1008. We know how to find the selling price by using the formula. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Let's use that formula. It becomes 100 plus 8 upon 100 times of X plus, we know how to find the selling price when the discount is given. It will be 100 minus the discount percentage divided by 100 multiplied to the list price. This will be equal to 1008. This need to be simplified. If you look at the denominators here, it's 100, so it becomes easy to take the LCM and cross multiply. We will be getting 108x plus 100 minus 10 will be 90. So 90y equal to 1008 followed by 2 zeros because we are cross multiplying 100. We can further simplify this. This 108 as well as 90 and 1008, they are all divisible by 18. Yes, 18 6 times is 108. So the equation is simplified as 6x plus 5y equal to 5600. This 100800, when it is divided by 18, we'll be getting this. Let me call this as equation 1. This is our case 1. What is case 2? In case 2, they have given that if she had sold the saree at 10% profit and the sweater at 8% discount, she would have got rupees 1028. So let me mention it here. Selling price of saree at 10% profit. Earlier case it was 8%, now it is 10% profit plus selling price of sweater at 8% discount. She gets rupees 1028. Now the discount percentage and the profit percentage is interchanged. So we'll use the same formula. SP is equal to CP multiplied to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 If you use that, it becomes 110 upon 100x plus, when 8% is the discount, you will be having 92 upon 100 y equal to 1028. This can be further simplified. It becomes 110x plus 92y equal to 102800. I have cross multiplied 100. Now if you divide both left hand side and right hand side upon 2, this equation will be reduced to 55x plus 46y equal to 51400. Let me call this as equation 2. Now these two equations I need to simplify. Let me rewrite the equations. Equation 1 was 6x plus 5y equal to 5600. This was equation 1. And the second equation obtained was 55x plus 46y equal to 51400. This was our equation 2. Now if you want to make the coefficients same, I prefer multiplying the second equation with 5 and the first equation with 46 so that I can eliminate y term. So if you do that, equation 1 multiplied by 46, we get 276x plus 230y equal to 257600. And the equation 2, if I multiply this with 5, I'll be getting 5 multiplied to 55 is 275, 275x plus 230y equal to 257000. Now subtract. On subtraction, this y term will be eliminated. We'll be getting the value of x as 600. So x value is 600. Now let us find the value of y. For that, I'll consider the first equation. 6x will be equal to 5y will be equal to 5600 minus 6x. We get 5y as 5600 minus 6 times of 600. So y will be 5600 minus 6 times of 600 is 3600 upon 5. It becomes 400. Therefore, the cost price of saree, let me mention the final result here. Therefore, cost price CP of saree is rupees 600 and list price of sweater is rupees 400. respectively. There are two more questions left out. Let's complete that. Question 12. Susan invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B, which offers interest at the rate of 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. She received rupees 1860 as annual interest. However, had she interchanged the amount of investments in the two schemes, she would have received rupees 20 more as annual interest. How much money did she invest in each scheme? Let me consider the money invested in scheme A as rupees X and in scheme B as rupees Y. Let the money invested in scheme A be rupees X and in scheme B rupees Y. In the first case, it's given that Susan has invested certain amount of money at 8% per annum and 9% per annum in both the schemes. So in scheme A, she is investing at the rate of 8% per annum, and in scheme B, she is investing at the rate of 9% per annum, and the total interest she obtains is 1860. We need to consider PTR upon 100 for the interest. So the principal amount in scheme A is X multiplied to the rate of interest is 8 per annum per year. So time period is taken as 1 upon 100 plus for scheme B amount Y is invested at the rate of 9% per annum. So it is Y into 9 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 1860. Here when denominator is 100 and if it is cross multiplied, we will be getting 8x plus 9y equal to 1860 followed by 2 more zeros. This is our first equation. Case 1. In the case 2, the rate of interest are interchanged. So it becomes x multiplied to 9 multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus y multiplied to 8 multiplied to 1 upon 100 equal to rupees. They are given that she would receive 20 rupees more than the earlier interest. So we need to add 20 to 1860. It becomes 1880. Further, when you simplify this equation, we will be getting 9x plus 8y equal to 1880 followed by 2 more zeros. This is our second equation. Let's simplify these two equations. A simple method to solve such a type of an equation wherein the coefficients are interchanged is by doing this trick. equation 1 added to equation 2, we get 8x added to 9x, nothing but 17x, plus 9y added to 8y, it becomes 17y equal to 1860 added to 1880, it becomes 3740 followed by 2 more zeros. Here, when you look at this, you'll get an idea. Probably it is divisible by 17. So if you divide by 17, we get x plus y equal to, when 374000 divided by 17, we'll be getting 22,000. Let me call this as equation 3. Now if you do this, equation 1 minus equation 2, you will be getting minus x plus y equal to minus 20, minus 2000. Further, if I take negative common, it becomes x minus y equal to 2000. Let me call this as equation 4. Now instead of solving equation 1 and 2, it will be alright if you solve equation 3 and 4. Now let me consider equation 3 and 4. Our equation 3 is x plus y equal to 22,000. And our equation 4 is x minus 5y equal to 2000. Now if you add them, y term get cancels. We'll be getting 2x as 24,000. So the value of x will be rupees 12,000. Once the value of x is obtained, I can find the value of y. I'll just consider any one of the equation. Let me take x plus y is equal to 22,000. Y will be equal to 22,000 minus 12,000. Upon simplification, the value of y becomes rupees 10,000. Hence, the amount invested in scheme A is rupees 12,000 and in scheme B is rupees 10,000. It is little difficult. Slowly go through, solve simultaneously, you'll understand. Let me take up the last question of the exercise. Question number 13. Vijay had some bananas and he divided them into two lots, A and B. He sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 2 for 3 bananas and second lot at the rate of rupee 1 per banana and got a total of rupees 400. If he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupee 1 per banana and the second lot at the rate of rupees 4 for 5 bananas, his total collection would have been rupees 460. Find the total number of bananas he had. Let me consider the number of bananas in lot A as X and the number of bananas in lot B as Y. I have taken the number of bananas in lot A as X and in lot B as Y. According to the first case, it is mentioned that he sells at the rate of ₹2 for 3 bananas. They have given that selling price of 3 bananas as ₹2. Therefore, the selling price of 1 banana will be ₹2 by 3. If he sells the total of X number, the selling price of X bananas will be 2 by 3 times of X. That makes a sense. Now, selling price of 1 banana of lot B. This was for lot A. Now for lot B, selling price of 1 banana is ₹1. So the selling price of Y number of bananas will be ₹Y. So totally he is selling from lot A at the rate of, say, total cost of 2 by 3x, from lot B ₹Y, and the total amount he is getting is ₹400. Now I can make this as a simple equation just by taking LCM and cross multiplying. I'll be getting the equation as 2x plus 3y equal to 3 multiplied to 400 is 1200. Now let me take the second case, case 2. According to the second case, he had sold the first lot at the rate of ₹1 per banana and the second lot at ₹4 per banana for 5 bananas. So the equation becomes X plus 4 by 5 times Y equal to 460. Now once again I'll make this as a simple equation just by taking LCM and cross multiplying. I get 5x plus 4y equal to 5 times 460, which becomes 2300. This is one equation. From the previous case we had one more equation. Let me write these two equations one below the other. You will get an idea. The first equation obtained was 2x plus 3y equal to 1200, and the second equation is 5x plus 4y equal to 2300. Let me name this as 1 and this as equation 2. Now what can we do for elimination? The simplest thing is, here you can multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3. If you do that, y can be eliminated. So equation 1 multiplied to 4, we get it as 8x plus 12y equal to 4800. And the second equation, if you multiply this with say 3, you will be getting 15x plus 12y equal to 3 times of 2300 will be 6900. Subtract, you will be getting y term cancelled and you get negative 7x as negative 2100. So the value of x obtained is minus 2100 upon minus 7. This becomes 300. Now let me take one of the equation. I'll consider 2x plus 3y equal to 1200. We want y, so 3y will be equal to 1200 minus 2 times of x. So 2 times of 300 is 600. Subtract 600 from 1200, we get 600. Y will be 600 upon 3 is 200. Therefore, total number of bananas are x plus y. If you add them, it is 300 added to 200, it becomes 500. Totally he had 500 bananas and he divides that into lot A and lot B. Lot A contains 300 bananas whereas lot B contains 200 bananas. This completes the exemplar problems. In my next session, I'll be taking up some important questions from CBSE guide.com. Some of the questions were asked in the examination. I'll be referring when it was asked also, so that you will understand the importance of the questions from this chapter. That's all for this session. Thank you.